Hi, in this video we will cover the WAPPoint point of sale software product features. Let's jump straight in. The first feature that's really important is that our solution is app-based and it can integrate into card machines, or you can use it as a desktop solution, and we have a cloud-based management tool. So this is really key because if you work on a solution that is just desktop based and something happens to the computer or the server that's in your restaurant or business, then you essentially lose all of your data overnight. So it's very important that you have a cloud-based backup, and it's also really a nice feature to have if you have an app-based solution, because essentially, like in a restaurant, your waiters can download the app onto their smartphones. They can take orders at the table via the app, and then it submits to the kitchen or to the bar, and you don't have to have a central station set up. So in a very busy restaurant, you can equip a lot more waiters to be able to process orders without queuing up the one solution. If you have it integrated with your Android card machines, then your waiters can literally go to the table, pull up that restaurant's bill or that table's bill, and they can then tap and pay or whatever, with the card machine. So it's and all your data is then gathered in your Hive or in your cloud-based solution. So you as a business owner, even if you're not near your restaurant, you can actually view what's going on in your restaurant in real time as well. So the next thing is that our point of sale solution is not just a point of sale. It is also a business solution that helps you manage your sales, your customers, your inventory, your staff, and your financials, as well as it encompasses a loyalty solution as well. So it's really, the full package. When you first start using the point of sale, you will need to import your products, and here you can actually have multi-level product buttons, or you can scan barcodes, depending on what you prefer to use in your business. We'll help you to import the products with a basic spreadsheet, and all you essentially need to do is just update the stock quantities, or you can adjust them later. The inventory management can be done across all branches and all channels. So you can even work with your physical store, your online store, and it brings all of your inventory together. You can do it on item level, for example, a bottle of wine or a case of wine or wine per glass, however you choose to manage your stock. So when you receive a case of wine, you can just say, I've got a case of wine, and then as items get sold, it will automatically adjust your stock levels and send you a low stock warning when you need to purchase more. You can also do it on recipe level. For example, if you're doing cakes, you'll have to allocate how many eggs or sugar or cups of flour or whatever you need for each cake, and that will also tally up the total that you need and when you need to order more. Your online stock, you can link your WordPress WooCommerce store to easily manage the online stock levels against your physical store. So basically, each time a sale happens on your online shop, it will subtract from your physical store, and you'll be able to keep track of when you need to replenish items. On customer management, you can view your customers' data and account information. You can allocate table or room numbers like in a hospitality or restaurant environment. You can also do loyalty rewards. And actually this is shown to increase your sales by around 30% or more. For example, if you're in a nail salon, you could offer your customers to get free nails on every 10th visit. And that will really encourage customers to keep coming back. The VIP support is really a dedicated support service that's 24/7 solution, because we already do card payments support. Our team is equipped to handle any support that you need after hours on your point of sale solution as well. We have integrated card payment devices, our mini POS, our speed point, and we are very soon going to be launching tablet POS as well. You can also set the tablet POS up as a central station for your waiters, or you can use this in a retail environment as well, where you actually capture the point of sale on here and accept the card payment at the same time on any of these devices. So you don't need to invest in any other additional hardware. We offer very extensive reports, so you can actually even set up automated emails that send you the right reports when you need it. We offer a multi-branch solution, so you can really control your business from wherever you are. And this is really nice for a massive franchise as well. As I've explained, we've got app-based ordering that you can do in a restaurant environment. So each of your waiters literally just downloads the WAPPoint point of sale or WAPPoint POS app onto their smartphones, and they can place their orders. And by the time they leave the table, the kitchen is already busy and the bar is already busy processing that order. So that's really amazing. From a service business point of view, you can actually go out in the field with your app and you can create invoices and job cards on the fly. And that's really a nice solution for a service business. You've got your everything that you need on your cell phone. For hospitality, we've got various extra features. Everything is integrated, so you can have a customer place an order for the accommodation itself, and then when they arrive at your establishment, they can do room service on the same account. They can go eat in your restaurant. They can pay for various services within your establishment, and everything is all done on one customer profile, which is really amazing for the customer to experience a unified approach. We have touch buttons as well as barcode scanning, so it really suits any sort of environment. You can also do manual ordering if you're a service business. On this solution, you can manage your invoices as well as your creditors. So your customer side, usually your point of sale only encompasses the customer side, but we've also built in the creditor side, and this helps you to generate proper financials. So let's say, for example, in a restaurant, you've run out of cheese and tomatoes, and you send someone over to Pick and Pay. They buy the items, they can immediately, through the app, capture that receipt from Pick and Pay and put it into your financials on the go. So you know what stock has been ordered, you've got your invoice captured from the creditor, and you can show that it's already been paid. So everyone is constantly doing accounting in your business without feeling like they are doing accounting. And that's really what makes this process so amazing, is that by the time you've generated your financials for the month, it's all done in real time throughout the month, and there's no hassle at the end of the month. Your loyalty and gift card system encourages customers to come back and stay loyal to you, and everything is linked to the customer's cell phone number. So there's no need to produce any loyalty cards or create a massive loyalty system. It's done, as you go. You can transact even when you're offline, and this is a major one for people who experience downtime during load shedding or when their internet bombs out. So everything is backed up and synced when you go back online, but you can transact while you are offline. And with the use of our battery-operated card machines or the app-based solution, you'll never have to worry about load shedding again. If you are in a service business where you want to do time-based bookings, for example, a salon or accommodation, you can manage your calendar and you can do time-based bookings with managing, how many clients you can service at a time and things like that. You can use the point of sale with our card machines or separately. So if you have other card machines at the moment and you prefer to keep them and only use our point of sale solution, you can do that, but obviously you'll benefit in having both together. We are constantly developing on the features. So as we work with different industries, our developers are constantly building in additional features. So if you do have any special requests, please contact us and submit them through to us so we can keep building on this product offering. Our pricing starts from as little as R0 a month for one branch, and you can do a maximum of 5 invoices per day with a 10 product limit. So this is great for service businesses. The next tier is 99 Rand a month, where you can do unlimited invoices but still manage only one Hive user and have a product limit of 25. So this is nice for a small restaurant even. And this only works then on the mobile app solution. The next tier is to actually integrate with physical terminals. So your desktop is a terminal, or if you want to use it on a card machine, or if you want to use it on various apps. So in a restaurant environment, you'll have different waiters. You can choose to set up one base station and each of the waiters, but you'll pay for each app as a terminal. So 1 to 2 terminals to 85 a month. But this is really worthwhile because, you know, it can really streamline your queues. So you've got to weigh up the difference between having one central point versus having each of your waiters with their own app. Our service can also be integrated with the vending of VAS services. So, you know, in a grocery store or fuel station or something like that, you'll need to be able to vend VAS, and you can do your card sale and your point of sale all on one device, which is really amazing. And that, in a nutshell, is the product features of our point of sale. Please ask us if you have any more questions.